as what are going to be treated as factors of this particular number. Factors of this particular number. And what are multipliers? So for any number, for example, if I take 6, so 1, 2, 3, 6 are going to be factors. Factors are always going to be less than the given number, less than or equal to given number. And multipliers are always going to be more than or equal to given number. So what are multipliers is? Multipliers are nothing but the numbers which will come in 6 table. The numbers which will come in 6 table. So tabular numbers are going to be treated as a multipliers. So we never have any question in competitive exams like what is the number of multipliers of any number. Why? Because number of multipliers of any number is always going to be infinity. So 6 into 1, 6 into 2, 6 into 3, 6 into 4, like that, it will go till infinity. And the factors will be always bounded, which we can easily count. That's why you will get a question on finding the number of factors in the competitive exams. So if you get any question of find the number of multipliers of any number, always your answer choice is going to be infinity. So, and there are some steps which we have to follow in order to find out the number of factors. So before we are proceeding with that, let me show you. For example, you have a number 6. What are the factors of 6 you want to know? You have a number 6. What are the factors of 6 you want to know? So how can you find out? 1 into 6 is going to be 6. 2 into 3 is going to be 6. So what are the factors of 6 means? We can say 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factors. 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factors. So if you want to know what is the value manually, if you want to know, so you can do one thing. For the number 6, you can write this as a product of prime numbers. Product of prime numbers means we can write this as 2 into 3. So bases should be prime bases. So we can write it as 2 into 3. So because we can write it as 2 into 3, so based on that, we can find out. That is what I have mentioned here. You can just observe. So what is the method of finding the number of factors is, for example, I have a number 6. I want to know what is the number of factors. So I know that 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factors. Number of factors are 4. So if you want to know it in the other way, you can write the given number 6 as a product of prime numbers. We can write it as 2 into 3. 2 into 3. We can write it as 2 into 3. So once you write it as 2 into 3, we can write like 2 power 1 into 3 power 1. 2 and 3 are the prime factors. So that is the first step meaning. First of all, split the given number into product of prime numbers. So we can write it as 2 into 3. After writing the given number into product of prime numbers, look at the powers. So we are able to see the power as 1. We are able to see the power as 1. Add 1 to the power. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. After adding the power, multiply these two in order to get the total number of factors of any number. So that means we can say 4 factors are there. What are those factors? We are able to see 1, 2, 3, 6. Let me take one more example. Let's assume that I have a number 12. What are the factors? Manually we can say 1 into 12 is 12. 2 into 6 is 12. 3 into 4 is 12. That's it. That means what are the factors? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. How many factors are there? We can say the total number of factors are going to be 6. Total number of factors are going to be 6. The same thing if you want to do it in the other way. So we can write 12 as going to be 3 into 4. So 4 is not a prime number. So this is what splitting is. Splitting is nothing but 2 ones are, 2 6 are, 2 3s are. So 2 into 2 into 3. So writing the given number into product. All of you know what are prime numbers, right? So writing the given number into product of prime numbers is called prime factorization. So that is what the first step is. So 3 into 4 we cannot take, 4 is not going to be the value, so we can write as 2 power 2. So once you write it as a product of prime numbers, look at the power. If nothing is there, keep it power 1, just for the sake, you can make the answer faster. So 3 power 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 power 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 into 2 is 6, mark your answer choice as 6. That's how you can find it. So whatever is a given number is, no matter whatever the number is. For example, 18 is there. How can we write 18? So splitting is, you have to take care of splitting. So we can write as 2 into 9. 9 is not a prime number. 2 is a prime number. Highlight this. So again 3 into 3. So we can write 18 as going to be 2 power 1 into 3 power 2. What is the total number of factors if it is a question? 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 2 into 3 6. That will be the total number of factors. That is what the 3-step procedure which I have mentioned. The first step is whatever the given number is, write it as a product of prime numbers. So observe the powers of each prime number, add 1 to the power, multiply all of them to make the answer. So that means, for example, you have any question, what is the total number of factors for this number? Total number of factors for this number. So we are able to see 2 power 2 into 3 into 5 power 2. So how can we write this number? 2 power 2 as it is, and 3 is nothing but 3 power 1, and 5 is square is there. Add 1 to the power. 2 plus 1 is the 3, 1 plus 1 is the 2, 2 plus 1 is the 3. Multiplication of these numbers will give the answer. 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 2 is 18. So we can say total number of factors are this. Similarly, we will be having a question where we need to find out the number of odd factors. So number of odd factors is also very simple. What we need to do is look at only odd prime bases, not all. See, for example, you have a number, same number is given. What is the number of odd factors? See, total factors will be either even numbers or odd numbers. So sometimes I will ask the total number of factors. For that, I already told you the method. For example, if they are asking odd number of factors, what you need to do is look at your number, look at only odd prime base. So whatever is odd prime base is there. See, for example, this number, given number is going to be 2 square into 3 power 1 into 5 power 2. In this given number, look at your odd prime bases. This is 3, this is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6. That will give the odd prime basis, odd prime factors, or odd factors, sorry, odd factors. So when you are trying to find out odd factors of any number, only look at odd prime bases and observe the powers. Follow the similar method what we have applied for the starting. So this is how you can find out the odd factors of any number. Similarly, sometimes there is a question where you have to find out the even factors. So how to find out the even factors is very simple. The always the total factors is equal to factors are either even numbers or odd numbers, right? Because factors will start with 1. There is no negative factors. So factors will start with 1. So any number which is having exactly 2 factors will be treated as a prime number. See, if it is 3, what are the factors of 3? 1 comma 3. So if it is having exactly 2 factors, we name it as a prime number. If it is having more than 2 factors, we call it as a composite number. So you will have a questions of finding number of factors for only all composite numbers. And number of factors will be bounded, and all those factors are going to be either even numbers or going to be odd numbers. Either even numbers are going to be odd numbers. So you will get either even numbers or odd numbers. Nothing else you are going to have. Nothing else you are going to have. So that is the reason. That is the reason. And we can say total factors is even factors plus odd factors. If you want to find out only even factors, you can don't have a direct formula. Directly you can calculate total factors. You have a shortcut. Odd factors you have a shortcut. So use a shortcut formula. Find out the total factors minus odd factors. That will use the even factors. That will use the even factors. So can you tell me what is the answer for the first question which is available on the screen? So what is the number of factors, total number of factors for 360? First of all, you have to split this number as a product of prime numbers. That is your first task, whatever the number it may be. If you are able to do the given number into product of prime numbers, there is almost everything is over. So 360, how to split? There are two ways. One is you can use a tree diagram, or otherwise you can use the prime ladder method. So how to use the tree diagram? So 360 I'm writing broadly as 36 into 10. So 10 we can write it as 2 into 5. 10 we can write it as 2 into 5. And how can we write? Thirty-six we can write as 6 into 6. How can we write 6? 2 into 3. How can we write 6? 2 into 3. So this is what your overall splitting is. So how can we write 2 is coming for 3 times, 2 power 3, 3 is coming for 2 times, 5 is coming for 1 time. After splitting 3 plus 1 4, 2 plus 1 3, 1 plus 1 2. Only powers you have to look at. Multiply all these numbers, mark your answer as 24. Multiply all these numbers, mark your answer as 24. Hello, hello. Look at the next question. Tell me the answer. What is the number of odd factors here? 2 power 2 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 2 into 7 power 2. Odd factors means focus on odd prime basis. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3. Multiply these numbers, mark your answer. Answer is 18. Look at the next question. Tell me what is the answer. What is the total number of factors of n? So the given number is 5 square into 6 cube into 3 square. What's the total number of factors? So how to find out the total number of factors? Very simple. Look at the power. This is 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 2 plus 1, 3. Multiply these numbers, mark your answer. 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 2 is going to be 36. You can say answer is none of the above. If you are thinking like this is absolutely wrong. So intentionally I have done a mistake just to make sure. All of you try again, tell me the answer. Answer none of the above is absolutely wrong. So there is one mistake like taking none of the above is wrong. So what we need to do here, this is 6 we can write as 2 into 3. So this 6 is not a prime number. To apply your logic, first make sure that all are prime numbers. So that's only the thing which you have to do here. Remaining everything is same. So overall we can write as 2 power 3 into 3 power 5 into 5 power 2. 2 3 plus 1 4, 5 plus 1 6, 2 plus 1 3. Multiplication of these numbers will give you your answer 72. Answer choice is option C. Like that you can able to see the questions. That is what you are able to see it as a questions. Sometimes you can expect the reverse question also. Can you tell me what is the answer for this question? Find the number of factors for 120. How can we write 120? 12 times 10, 2 times 5, 2 times 6, 2 times 3. Overall, 2 is coming for 3 times, 2 power 3, 3 is coming for 1 time, 5 is coming for 1 time. 3 in 3 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. Answer is 4 into 4 is 16. 4 into 4 is 16. You can mark the answer as 4 into 4 is 16. What is the total number of factors for this? 7 square into 3 power 5. 2 plus 1, 3. 5 plus 1, 6. So 3 into 6, 18. Mark it as option C. That's how you can able to see. Thank you so much. See you in the next session.